Okay, hello everyone. Let's create our EMR cluster. Let's learn how to create a EMR cluster. Type EMR. Here we select EMR, that is Manage Hadoop Framework. Okay, these are some cluster we had created earlier. So let's create a new one. Click on this Create Cluster button. Go to the Advanced options. These are the some releases of EMR cluster, but we will go with 5.33.0. Okay, and we will choose some softwares and frameworks we will require in our cluster. Like I had a requirement of Hive and Spark over here. Okay, so as we know that Hive is one of the framework which is used on a top of Hadoop. Okay, so we have two types of tables in Hive, that is internal tables and external tables. While for internal tables we are using uh, storage as SDFS, and while we are terminating our cluster we will going to lose our metadata and as well as our data. Okay, so uh, okay, and in external table we will be not heading toward like this. We will be creating a table, external table, and we will be storing our metadata into some other type of databases. Okay, so here we are using AWS Glue data. Okay, so as we terminate our data our cluster, the data will be always present in our SDFS files. Okay, and also a metadata will be also present in other databases. While Apache Hive present us about a Derby database which is used to store a metadata of Hive, but this database is being used for only single access. But at a production level we will not be requirement of single access, there will be a requirement of multiple access to the database. Okay, so we will go for some other database or other relational database where we can store our metadata. So here, while creating our AWS EMR cluster, we will going to use AWS Glue data catalog for storing our metadata. So I'm using it for Hive table also and also Spark tables. Go to the next option, keep it as well. So here's the main thing where we can design our cluster, like from master nodes and data nodes. So here the master node, which has some configurations, instance types, which has m5.xlarge. Okay, and ABS storage as 64 gigabytes and 16 GB of memory, that is RAM, 4 core processor. Okay, and AWS presents us about purchasing options. So here we have a purchasing option on demand and spot, but as we are on a demo purpose, so we will going to use on demand purpose. Okay, this will be some changes. We will get about 66% of low cost value on spot instance. Okay, but now for a demo we will going to use on demand on it, and we will be using only one instance, one master instance, so we'll getting 0 here. Click on next. Yeah, I will tell you something about cluster scaling. Okay, as our data increases, our cluster, our EMR cluster is able to scale itself. As our data increases or data is increases, our processor the requirement of our processing power is more, then our cluster will automatically be in scale. Here is the cluster scaling option, so that we can enable our cluster scaling options. Okay, and it is ABS root volume. Okay, which is 10 gigabytes. We can increase it, but right now we will be put it 10 GB only. Click on the next option. Give the cluster name, so I'll be giving a demo hyphen cluster. Sorry, yeah, cluster. Okay, if you are willing to put a logging and termination protection, you can give it, but I'm not giving it. Okay, yeah, and this is one of the main thing here. If you want some bootstrap action, some other bootstrap actions, like I want a notebook here. Okay, I want a pandas here and some other services. so we can have it here. Okay, we will be using custom action run if we will be option for that. Okay, this is one of a good thing here to install some other softwares into a cluster on the side of clusters. Click on the next. Here is the security options which will be uh, very useful for us so that we can be able to connect to master nodes or with cluster with SSH. Okay, so I had already created one of EC2 key pair, so I will be going to select this first cluster. Okay, and I'll be clicking on this create cluster. So finally we had created our cluster named demo cluster. Its status is now starting, so it will give a master public DNS and some other properties of AMR cluster. Okay, so the applications running on this platform are Hive, Pig, Hue, Spark. Okay, so they will be going to present you a user interface for that. So finally we have created our EMR cluster which has a distributed computing power which is provided by AWS. Thank you.